didn't do my homework because okay, tatlo na. I didn't do my homework because look. Look dito. Just wait. Wait muna. Look. Look dito. Sabi niya dito, na-made yan. Look, na-made yan by to Valentino and David. For Milo, Benjamin at si David at si Benjamin. Apa. Okay. Punta na. Okay, start na tayo. Makinig ka. I didn't do. So why didn't you do your homework? I didn't do my homework because an airplane full of monkeys landed in our yard. Look! Look! Yan yun! Keep looking! This is it! Look! Okay. A rebellious robot destroyed our house. Look! Yan yun! Rebellious robot. That destroyed ang house niya. It's made of wood. See? Naka-destroyed na ang house niya. Look, naka-destroy. Look. Rebellious robot. That is so giant. Right? It's giant. Okay. Elves hid all of my pencils. Look, ang mga elves. Yan yung mga elves. Nahid niya ang pencil mga niya. Elves is just fake people. And elves? Did you know about elves? Elves is not moving, but they are just tricking the girl. Okay, let's keep going. I was abducted by a UFO. Look! Flying siya! At may light doon. Because na flying siya, nag-abducted siya ng UFO. Look! UFO! Nag-abducted siya. Just when I started to do my homework, we were attacked by Vikings. Naka-attack sila ng Vikings. Look ang Vikings yan. Vikings yan. Correct ako. Look. Correct ako, Vikings. Sabi niya, Vikings. Even did you see it? Yan yun. Just say, yan yung axe ng Vikings. Look at the axe of Vikings. Yan yun na axe of Vikings. Okay. Giant lizard invaded my neighborhood. Look! lizards. Wow, nice. Some cough medicine that my doctor prescribed had a strange effect on me. Look, my Cheyenne. You think elephant siya? Hindi siya elephant. Look, my table doon look, my table dito nakakuan. Even she siya, and even nag-turn na siya ng elephant because may strange effect ang potion na medicine na give ng doctor niya. Okay. I had to help my uncle build a high-tech to do my homework for me machine. But when we finally finished, it didn't work. Look, na-think niya mag-work yung machine na yan, but hindi naman na-work pag natapos na. Hindi naman nag-work. Ano ba yan? Hindi naman nag-work. Hindi naman mag-work, but high-tech yun. But hindi naman mag-work. So let's keep going here. My dog was swallowed up by another dog. So I spent the afternoon at the vet. Look, nakaswallowed ng another dog. Yan yun another dog niya. Yan yun another dog na. At did you see it? Yung fit na yan. Yung fit yan. Yung fit na yan. Yes, sa dog niya. This is the owner for the dog. And Cheyenne, siya. Look, Cheyenne, siya. I was at my cat's funeral. Look. Cheyenne at nasa cat's funeral daw siya. Nasa cat's funeral. At yan yung mama niya. Okay. Some escaped convicts from the local jail hid in my bedroom and wouldn't come out. Yung local jail, yan yung mga prisoners doon. Wow! Nice! How could it be? This is a coincidence. My uncle was challenged to a duel by a neighbor pala. Look! Nag-challenge siya. Yan yung water spraying. At yan yung uncle niya. Look, ang uncle niya. Nag-spray siya ng water. And siya nag-help sa uncle niya to win. But siya na-forgot niya ang homework niya. My grandpa and his band were making too much noise. And I couldn't concentrate. Look. niya doon sa fireplace. Naput niya dyan because wala sila wood. We found the lost penguin. So we took him to the North Pole, but penguins live at the South Pole. Look, na-found sila ng penguin. But sabi ng teacher niya na sa South Pole yun nakatira. Okay. Exactly. When we realized our mistake, we had to come back and take him to the other pole. Look. Sabi niya, magkuhan sa other pole. At nagkukuhan na siya, nagpupunta na siya dun sa North Pole. Okay. My brother and I were kidnapped by circus. Nakakidnap sila. Look, sila yan. Nakakidnap sila by a circus. My family discovered oil in our backyard. Na-discovered nila oil sa backyard nila. And it came spraying. Wow, it's spraying. It's like rain. I gave my pencils to Robin Hood. Nag-give niya ang pencils sa Robin Hood. Yan si Robin Hood. Yan. At siya yan. Nag-give niya. A famous director asked to use my bedroom to shoot his new movie. My famous director dito. My famous director. But hindi ko alam saan ang director naman, so let's skip this page. Some strange bird made a nest on our roof. My strange bird! Look! My strange bird dito! At na-made nila a nest from the roof nila! We had a problem with carnivorous plants. Look! My carnivorous plant is very dangerous. So don't live so closely to carnivorous plant or you will be eaten like these people. Our roof suddenly disappeared. Yung roof nila na disappear. Look! A black boulder! And look! Yan yung roof nila doon sa sky. The neighbors asked if we could help them look for their armadillos. Sabi ng neighbor, mag-help i-find ang carnivorous. Look there, look there, look there, look there, look there, look there. They're looking for the carnivorous. My sister Robin chewed up all of my pencils and workbooks. Yung sister niya naka-chew up yung workbooks niya at yung pencils niya. I don't know why. Is he mad or something? My brother had his little problem again. Look, my little problem. I will problem. The tornado. Let's see the tornado. A tornado swept up all of my books. Swept up yun all of yung books niya. Look. It's spinning like crazy. Okay. This is almost the end. So why don't you believe me? Sabi niya. Yan yung sabi kay teacher niya. Because I read the same book. The end. Okay. This is the end of this video. If you wanna watch more of my videos, you just need to click in my bio